So hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you on how I ventilate my full lace wig cap, and then this is me just showing you the hairlines on this full lace cap, and then this is the back part, this is the inner part which has the straps in it, and then I'll be showing you the back part where we ventilate. I'll make sure we cover the tracks just so they are not visible. And then in this ventilation I'm going to be doing the double split knotting, and I'll be using the vertical / diagonal method for ventilation. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then do keep on watching. Guys, I went ahead to do this part off camera, and this is me just showing you guys how well the tracks are well covered. And I actually forgot the name of the hair that I'm using, but once I remember this before posting, I'll make sure I put that in the description box below, so you guys can see the name of the hair that I'm working with. And this hair I'm ventilating is actually for a bride. So yes, so I'm using my tiny ventilating needle, and like I said, this is the hair I'm working with. I'll be showing you guys a clearer view of how I inserted this into the lace, so you just be patient and then follow the flow. My intentions while making this video was to make a do's and don'ts while ventilating. How most of you ventilate using the double split method, and the right way that you should ventilate. But then I just went ahead to make a video of how to ventilate your full lace wig cap, but I'll be explaining briefly so you guys get it clearly. While ventilating, most of you tend to stretch your left hand where you're holding the hairs, and then you end up losing grip of the hairs that you're holding. But this is the right way for you to ventilate. You don't stretch your hands, just put the hook through the lace, and then you pick 3 or 4 strands of hairs. Pick the first strand, give it a loop, and then you pick the second one and give it a loop as well. I'll be explaining that again. Put the hook through the lace, pick 3 or 4 strands of hair depending on what you're working on. You pick the first hair, give it a loop, and then you pick the second one and give it a loop. So guys, this is the middle part in front, but then once I get to the front line, I only ventilated just 1 strand of hairs to have a natural hairline. Again, if you're a beginner and you're trying not to lose grip of your hairs, you can as well do it the way I'm doing it right now. You can just put the hook through the lace, pick 3 or 4 strands of hairs. Make sure you use one of your fingers to hold a grip of the hair before giving it a knot. So guys, the rest of the video is self-explanatory. You just watch and enjoy this video. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, hello, I'm Rox-T Style. You're welcome to my channel. Do well to stick around by subscribing to this channel. Make sure you like this video and then leave a comment in the comment section down below. And then if you are my returning subscribers, a big shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for encouraging me to give you back-to-back content on this channel. I know most of you might be wondering why I did not make this video like a very detailed one when I said the vertical / diagonal method. This is because this is an advanced tutorial. But then if you want me to make a video for you guys as a beginner, you can just leave a comment in the section down below, and I promise to make a very detailed video for you. But then this vertical method can be used for frontal, full lace, wig cap, for 360, and most times for closures. You can use this to do your corn roll for full lace wig. but most people don't use this on their closures. But I do that a lot on my closures because I do want my braids to look like my natural hairline when it's being braided on. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked it. Please do well to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this video, you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. You just watch how nice this hair is coming out. Like, our bride is going to rock this hair so well.